Thanks for taking my question, and I think this call is, very, very reassuring. Just wanted to check, what is your marginal cost of borrowing? If you could just kind of give us one or two instances, what would have, what would be the rate at which you have done the recent borrowings? Thank you.
Yes. So I would also like to mention on that on the marginal cost of borrowing, the nearest, when we look at it, we had NCD issue a couple of months back when we raised 11,000 crore with a coupon of anywhere between 9.1 to 9.3% with maturities ranging between 3, 5, and 7 years. So as far as our borrowing is concerned, it continues to be in the range between what you would typically see in the bond market for any AAA rated company. The last deal which we did was at 8.20% on commercial paper. There has been no borrowing post that.
But when it comes to the marginal cost of funding, what Harshil said is just recent borrowing, but when it comes to the marginal cost of funding, it includes the bank borrowing, it includes other borrowing also. So that all put together, if we see last 4 months, that is from April to say July, then that cost would be much lower than whatever we have said.
So that's around 8.65.
8.65 would be the blend of that cost, marginal cost. Hello?
Yeah, the marginal. Hello?
Yeah.
So the marginal NCD borrowing cost would be like what in last 1 month or so?
So for last month or so, we have been borrowing from debt capital market in the range of 8 to 820. There have been some NCD issuance in the range of 920, 923 kind of a level. But the bank borrowings are continuing to be at MCLR. So the blended cost of marginal cost of borrowing is close to 860, 865.
Thank you. We'll move to our next question, which is from the line of Manoj Dhara from Tika Plant. Please go ahead.
Harshil sir, hi, this is Manoj Dhara this side. So what intimation have you got from RBI regarding the corporate governance and reporting standard? One. And market has reported DHFL December 2019 paper is dealt at around 11%. What is the reason for such high things? If you can just highlight that, sir.
Yeah. So first, on your first question on the RBI's note on governance, we would like to categorically state to all of you over there that we are governed by National Housing Bank, and we have to go on the basis of the circulars issued by National Housing Bank. On the second part of the paper getting traded at 11%, please understand that was not a primary deal. This was a secondary deal which happened in the market, over which DHFL has hardly any control on what happens in the secondary market. Bharat, if you have anything more to add.
So the factor is that there has been a credit event which happened last few days back, and that has triggered some run on the few of the funds, and they have been looking to liquidate their investment at any price. So this is purely a secondary market trade where we have no control, and in liquidity search, that guy has sold those papers at those elevated levels. We are not looking to raise any money at those elevated levels or a level substantially lower than those levels. We believe that we can continue to borrow at the marginal cost of funding or maybe 2 basis points here and there, and we will continue to borrow from different sources rather than going for those prices.
And so this is one of the deals.
This is one of the odd deals.
One of the odd deals.
Okay.
No, so in the morning there were guys in the market looking to buy this paper, but there were no offers. So it was one of the trades. So there are two external parties. We are not at all related to that, so we can't comment beyond this.
Sure, sir.